Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're gonna get into some things with this wig, y'all. We're gonna be right back.
Baby, the sound of you better than a harmony. Yeah, I want you off my mind and on me, holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream, you're here with me. Boy, it don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time all night. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. I wanna love you in every kind of way. I wanna please you, no matter how long it takes. If the world should end tomorrow and we only had today, I wanna love you in every kind of way.
And something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 Your intuition has been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open while you do that. Drop the towel right in front of me, cruise. Oh no, baby, talk to me, baby. Say it to me straight. Did I make a mistake? And I can't concentrate while you standing there naked. Acting strange, yeah. Something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 And something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 My intuition has been telling me, trust what you said to me. You ain't never really felt love till you slept with me. I'm busy, it's no wonder you upset with me. You found a magnum inside of my bag, don't know how to explain this. That was in that way before we started dating. It's the only music I hate facing. Oh, lay down, baby, I'ma take it slow. Can't let this thing go to waste, oh no. Before we crash, hit the brakes, oh no. Call when I got to your place, oh no. Still getting voicemail, oh no. Leave a voicemail, oh no. Hey, looks like we at the end of the road, and something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby.
So today's unit was sent to me by Sensationnel. It's from their Wet Lace collection. It's the style EZRA 28 in the color 1B. And this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. And this is what the back of the stock card is looking like. And we got the middle right here. It's a virtually HD lace, 13x6 natural density. It has full body movement and natural luster. Pre-plucked natural density hairline with baby hairs, mesh cap with an elastic band for a comfortable, secure fit. You guys, I am in love with this unit. This is given like sexy date night. I might have to wear this for V-Day, y'all. This is so like luscious and just, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I'm loving it. This unit was an easy slate, as you guys saw. The only thing that I did was that I went in with my Fenty foundation in the powder in the color 420. I went in underneath the hairline and just put the powder on the lace. And then as far as the actual hairline, I went in with my styling foam and it laid my edges down for me, y'all. I didn't have to do nothing. And then I went in with my contour stick in the color Espresso. I just swirled it in there a little bit, and then I went in along the hairline just to darken it up. And y'all, that was it. Y'all know I love me some plop and goes on this channel. This unit has a nice amount of thickness to it. I know sometimes in the past Sensationnel's units have been a little bit of sus with, you know, the density, but it is, y'all, it's given what it's supposed to give. It's thick, it's long. I'm loving the layers. It says it's 28 inches, so I do like the length. I do like it. I think it's, you know, I think it's reasonable. I'm feeling this unit, y'all. I'm loving the face frame. Like, it's cute. It's so freaking cute. I will say this unit is big hip friendly. It does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there, and then it does have an elastic band, which makes it very, very secure. I love secure wigs because that means I don't have to glue it down. We are lazy wig wearers over here, y'all. We like to plop and go. As far as the price, you guys, this unit is not available on any website, but once it becomes available, I will put the link in the description box below, so make sure you guys check it out. And as far as tangling and shedding, I have not experienced any tangling or shedding yet with this unit. It's fresh out the package, but y'all, this is what the curl pattern is looking like. It's so cute, and I got it in the color 1B. So thank you, Sensational, for kindly sending me this unit. You can also adjust this part to the left or right side. So yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.